Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? I am back with my witches runes again. So this is rune 1 and this is rune 2. Some of you had asked me that can we do healings, what type of healings we can do in these witches runes. Any healing can be done in witches runes, and also a lot of spells can be done. Those of you who all had joined my Nordic runes course know that I was the first person to bring in those runes. Same way witches runes I brought in India, and I also bring in my own spells with the witches runes. So I shall give you all a couple of seconds to focus on whether it is going to be the witches rune 1 or the witches rune 2, and then I shall give you all your reading. Okay, so now the first rune, that's a flight symbol. Usually a flight symbol comes when there's a major shift happening. Now those who are looking in for abroad opportunities or wanting to go abroad, today is the right day to apply, because you will be getting opportunities to go abroad, and some of you may be planning a shifting of home, and you will start working towards it, maybe like packing or whatever it is, that you will start doing all those works towards it. But usually when this card comes, it is swift, it is fast. It also indicates that a lot of things will be good. But still, let's see what the tarot cards are talking. Okay, the Six of Wands. So I see this as a successful card, but do you see here, through this wand there is a person, lady, who's also bringing in her wand energies in this steampunk tarot. So I feel that you need to take advice, if need be, from a known person or from your senior or from someone whom you feel will be the right person to advise you, and I'm sure you will gain out of it and you will benefit out of it, or you will get a new plan which may be beneficial for you in the long run. So overall, if you see, when this comes, basically what you can do is you can call on angels, communicate with angels to get your work done. So today, call on whichever archangel you feel guided to or you like, and ask them to give you the angel message on how to move forward or how to make things happen the way you want. And the angels, I'm sure, are going to give you a beautiful message. Today you can wear something in white, preferably off-white, if you can wear an off-white or a pure white. And today what you can do is offer some jaggery in your puja room, and in the night once you come back, you can have that jaggery. Don't give it to anyone, just have the jaggery, and I'm sure you will see good benefits soon. Now let's see what the second witches runes has come. And I, usually in a reading, when eye comes, we say there's a negativity around you, there's an evil eye cast on you, but it can also mean that you need to work on your third eye. You need to look from your third eye point of view, and some hidden secret will come out to you, and some truth will be revealed to you today. Now that truth will definitely be for your good. This can also mean that some of you have been facing headache or health issues, so you need to take care of it and you need to work for it. If it is a health issue, I would suggest carve this on a purple candle and burn it, and your health will work good. If there's any truth which is coming in your life, then let go of your ego, let go of the things which is hurting you, and I'm sure you will be able to accept the truth in the right way. Let's see what the cards are saying. Knight of Wands. So again, if you see here, the lady is holding the sword ready to attack. So let go of your ego today. Don't attack. Don't end up getting stressed. Don't end up getting worried. I think whatever is going to happen will be good. At least be happy that the truth is coming in front of you. Today, wear the color yellow if possible. Yellow is the color for you. Also today, before leaving out, have some yellow fruit, preferably a mango or a banana, so that your solar plexus will be balanced. And burn a sesame oil lamp, dedicating it to Hanumanji, saying please take care of everything and let everything go good today. So have a blessed day ahead, and God bless you all. Thank you.